Introducing the San Martin 39mm SN0144 JianZhan Gada Watch, a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Watch sparkles designed for those who appreciate fine watchmaking. This timepiece features the Miyota 9015 automatic movement, ensuring top-notch accuracy and long-lasting durability. Its unique JianZhan dial is inspired by ancient Chinese ceramic art, making it a true collector's item. The stainless steel case, sapphire crystal glass, and sleek finish make this watch perfect for any occasion, formal events, business meetings, or daily wear. If you're looking for a watch that combines elegance with precision, this is it. Click the link in the comments now to get yours before it sells out. And don't forget, before you go, like this video, drop a comment, follow, and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest watches and accessories.